In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create discount codes in Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar where you can access different areas of your account. You are going to open the Content section and then select Coupons. This Coupons area is where Klaviyo lets you manage and store the coupon codes you plan to use in campaigns and flows. Once you are on the Coupons page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is used when you want to create a coupon entry in Klaviyo that you can then use and share. After you click it, you will see fields you need to fill out to define the coupon. Next, enter your coupon name. This is the label for the coupon, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. Many people use short, readable names that match the promotion, like a seasonal sale name or a simple percentage off label. The key is to keep it consistent with your internal naming style so it is easy to find when you need it. After naming the coupon, set the minimum coupon count. This setting determines the minimum number of coupon codes you want available. It is a good idea to think about how many people might receive or use the promotion, especially if you plan to send it to a large list. Setting a solid minimum helps ensure you have enough codes prepared for your audience. Then set the expiration. You can choose an expiration that happens after a set period of time, like after 1 year, or you can choose a specific date. Pick the option that matches your promotion. A specific date is useful for limited time sales, while a longer window can work for evergreen offers. Be mindful that an expiration that is too short may cause the coupon to stop working earlier than you intend. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. Klaviyo will save it, and once it is created, you can now share it as part of your marketing. And that is all there is to it.